The AutoDS Marketplace has everything you need to find winning products to sell on your dropshipping stores. Here is everything on how the AutoDS Marketplace works. First of all, we can see up here that we can filter what countries we want to ship to and what currencies we want to use. We can also select what countries we want to ship from. So for example, we can ship from the US to the US and get faster shipping this way. We can also filter between different price ranges, and we can select different suppliers, which we'll go over in just about a minute. Here we can see all of the categories where we can find, source, and add these winning products to our stores. We can also create a search right here, search for whatever product we're looking for, and we'll find the answers. So as I scroll down, we can see more suppliers and more trending products. The AutoDS warehouse is a warehouse with lots and lots of winning and trending products. So we already sourced the best products for you to sell on your store. So not only can you import all of these products that you can see from all of these suppliers really easily by just hovering over import draft, clicking on it, and this product will be on your store in just a matter of seconds so that you can start selling it. Not only that, but you also have customizable branding. This comes from the AutoDS warehouse, and what this allows you to do is brand your own products. Every time you ship out one of these products from the AutoDS warehouse, we're gonna ship it with your store logo. You can upload your store logo under the settings menu or by clicking on any one of these products, going inside the product page, and here under create your own customizable branding, you can add your logo right here. It'll take you to the right place on the settings page. So here, for example, I have the AutoDS logo. So if I sell any products from the marketplace that's being sourced from the AutoDS warehouse, which we can see right here, the AutoDS warehouse with customizable branding, these products are going to ship out with that logo, even if you only have one order and you do not have to purchase any inventory in advance. So the dropshipping business model now allows you to ship out the products with your own logo without the need of having inventory, which is how it worked up until now. So what else do we have here besides AutoDS is a private supplier like this Bosco wholesale supplier? You can also click on the supplier to see what other products that supplier also has in the AutoDS system. So in this example, Bosco Wholesale uploaded all of their products to the AutoDS Marketplace, which you can easily sell by once again hovering over import draft and clicking on it. That will import this product to whatever stores we have selected. Here you can see that the shipping time is relatively quick, 6 to 9 business days, and all of these products are trending. And of course, we can get more product information by just clicking on that product, entering the product page, and here you can see that it's a private supplier where it says AutoDS suppliers with discounted prices. Here, if there were more variations, you would see them here. And this one ships from the US, $0 shipping, and again, shipping and processing time, just 6 to 9 business days. You can also send a private message to the suppliers by clicking on this message this supplier button, or once again, import it to the draft section of your store so that you can optimize it right here in the draft section and publish it to your store whenever you're ready. Here you have all of the products information and the policies, shipping policies, return policies, who pays for the returns, and more information. So that's a brief overview of the marketplace. Once again, you have a mix of retail suppliers, private suppliers, and if you want to only see, for example, a certain supplier, like let's say we only want to see private suppliers, we're just going to click on the supplier filter right up here, and I'm going to choose AutoDS suppliers. This is going to show me all of the private suppliers that we have, like Bosco that we already saw, AutoDS, which we have our own warehouse also, and we also ship out between 9 to 12 business days. Usually it's sooner, but we like to take the maximum. And as we scroll, we'll find more private suppliers, more trending products, really easy to find them and add them to your store. And last but not least, we have the winning product section, which is inside the marketplace. If I click on winning products, here I'm going to find proven winning products, proven sellers, proven products that are trending right now for another seller. And with that, you're going to get full product analytics, including the seller's ad copies, the seller's website, where they're purchasing the product from, how much they're profiting, how much sales they're making, and what you can do to do a better job than these sellers who are already selling these products like crazy to give you a better chance to make even more sales and more profit. For example, let's take a look at this camera holder grip right here. So I'm going to click on it to open up all of the product's details. And as we can see, we have the product, we have its reviews, how much it costs. We have the variations right here, more variations, and all of the countries that you can ship it from. So this one, for example, I can ship it from the US and deliver within 13 business days, or I can ship it from China. That'll take more shipping days. So of course, there's no reason to do that. And it really depends on where your audience is. So for example, if they're from Spain, ship it from here. If they're from France, ship it from here. But what else are we getting under the winning products? So as I scroll down, you can see all of this new information. This product is being sold for $32.76 by this seller. This seller is making $23 in profit every time he sells the product. Here is audience targeting if you want to use it for your ad copies. But more than that, as I continue to scroll, you can see the seller's ad copy that they created for this very product. And not only that, you can also see their website right here, and you've got some insights about their ad copy, about their website, so you can learn what the seller is doing well, what the seller is not doing so well, and how you can do a better job. You can also click on the link right here to enter the seller's website and see what other things he is doing. And here we have his website, for example. You'll also notice that he charges a shipping price, so the price will come out as we see up here, and you can sell it for cheaper, make a better ad copy than him, make a better website than him, and simply make more sales because you got their winning product. So the winning products once again gives us full product analysis, including the seller's ad copy, the seller's website, what they're doing well, and what you can do better. And this place simply has it all. It's being updated all the time, around the clock, and we're adding new winning trending products all the time. So if you want to take a shortcut on product research, this is the place to do it. That is a brief explanation of the AutoDS Marketplace, winning products, retail, private suppliers, customizing your logos, and winning products. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your winning products.